Take care of it. What's your name? Oh, Mexico? Oh, hola. Yeah, now the hometown, you see it? I first me I come down, I first one feed you. I first one that feed you, you know. That is it. Active. Active with it. Welcome to St. Anne's Bay. Drone shot. This is my first time in St. Anne's Bay. I've never. Nah, brother, I'm tired of you. You see it? You're active, man. You know, no hometown, you see it? Yeah. Time to go in the town, huh? Let's do this. Bingo, then sweet. Got him. Sweet! Eh? I look the part, don't. I look the part. Active. Bye, you want me stand up? Post for your sign. What is? Oh, it's a medical center vision. I can't see now, I need it. As you can see, my cameraman too. But I will blind. Yo! What's up? What? Cut me here for me now. Eh? My ball, I have a ball spot, yeah. Please help us. Say Jamaica stop. I'll go home. Any problem you have, me relieve your stress. You have a problem walking, I will bring you, ma'am. Bring you. No fear, you don't need no fear. Free. Yes. St. Anne peaceful body, nice. Hello. The other one. Watch colors every day. Come fight me, movie. Come, be ready. Come now. You're a Jesus. You're not easy, though. What you say? I thought you're going to fight me. You're going to fight her. I'm not easy at all. I also KFC there. They go, Burger King there. But hold on. At first, I come here, I'm a tourist, you know. I don't know nothing about them place here, you know. You know, they have Burger King. I want to go on. Wait. You never know. Yeah. Juicy beef, KFC, and Burger King, the side on side. That is crazy. Watch out. Three of them in the one place. Yeah, let's go. Easy thing, man. Up. Eh? Everything. Give us something. Ready, my dog? Tell me I say. What you say? Say it again. Normal free man with that. Here you go. You see me never make with pocket. It's like me the band for broke. I don't know how I go on. Look at. What's that? No, I can't do that. Oh God, did I try to turn me off? You hear that? Big up yourself. Let's go. Active. You say, eh? Time for what? Easy no man. Easy no man. It's a flick to you. It's a center town, no. It's a center. Town center with it. Town center with it. Sentence be a town center. What go on, movie? What go on? They have from my house while they're upon yours. That's it. That is it. Oh, Mexico? Oh, hola. Oh, my dear. What go on? That's the ants, man. Do it again, do it again. Don't fret.
You want to reach out watching fast? That is the jet.
Alright, see jet here now. Wait, camera there. Come in. The man are promoting jet. See it here. Go and show this here, sir. See fast here. You want to reach Ocho fast? Private jet. Private jet at a low cost. See, you got yourself. Yeah. Anything I want, you just ask me, man. It's building on my side. Alright. Alright, I don't want to pop down. I don't want to sue me. I don't want to sue me. So I left them building alone. But I can't climb it, man. Can't climb it. Of course, Jamaica. Anansi, man, my name. And me when they are reading a book. And me.
No, you go like Anansi.
Yeah, me go like Anansi. Me go like Anansi, mama. Good on so. Hear the dog. Yeah, watch out. See it, yeah? See it, yeah? I last one this side or so.
The music here was too loud, so I couldn't play the music, but she was giving me big ups. I love this lady. She has very good vibes. Nothing but big ups she giving me. Big up herself in a sentence.
Them tax office nice though. I want to go on. So we not look so. Yeah, big up. I'm waiting. Yeah, me see. Mark flick. You ready? You ready? Tell me when you're ready now. Yeah, wait. Tell me when you're ready. You ready? You got yourself. Yeah. Let's say one more. Yeah, man, G. Big up. Yeah, man. Oh, very nice, man. At least you can wait for the car, yeah. You can relax. Hello. I one thing I like, hello. I like, yeah, so. You see it? You come for check your bus, you can't get in the car, you just go on easy back a little bit till you get car. When we leave your car do that, you have to stand up in the sun at Portland. My last still enough. I don't know where I'm going now. But I just a walk. I see. Up my G. What? Just a walk and anywhere I end up. Yeah. Yeah? Big up yourself. Big up, little bit. Here, G. Yeah. Spider-Man lock up. Jesus Christ, officer, why you lock me up? What me do? Freeze. Lord. Somebody help me. Help me, they lock up Spider. Oh God, they lock me up. Me get wet. Yeah. See it here. You don't see it. Watch it. Which bar? Up on the post. Bomba, no man. You look like you watch too much movie, man. Big up here.
Son want meet you.
When the?
The man come.
Best time G.
Yes.
Ready?
Anansi, man. Oh, go and kill it. You're active, man. You're not in the hometown, you know? Like they know where I come from, though. You're there, man. Yeah. We'll come round. There. Well, closer to the town side, so when you get close to the town, now Fort Antonio, we get close to yourself. Yeah, man, on my side, that man. You live a couple minutes out. Them side there.
Place, man.
Yeah, man, you pass through every parish, so me reach you say, you know, you see it. Yeah, man, bless up.
Yeah, man. Healing.
What? Stop! And don't bother do nothing. You think me not gonna do something a while ago, you know? Instant. This. Hello, yes, ma'am. Exactly. Tell them again. We don't do nothing without God. Fly up. Watch out. Spider-Man can't fly. They might expect too much of me. Where may I go? Straight, sir? I'll go around. Two flicks here. Yeah, man. You want to lick me with the broom, eh? I'll make you carry them far. No, I can't lick me down, you know. No. I'm not car proof. Big up, mom. What? I did do that, I did idea. Where is the level there? Oh God, active my G. Yeah. Oh, my G. Look. Yeah, man, they can take it. Later. Woo, woo, woo. Yo, watch the dog, man. They up on the gully side. If you want to know how to find me. Hey, that's why I'm there up on the gully side. Oh, let them know, no? St. Anne's Library, I believe, right? That's how it name? Parish Library. Hit that. Zin. I think St. Anne's done now. I feel like I will sentence that. Oh, my dear. I will sentence that. We are going to Ochi.
See your face, no Spider-Man.
See there? I saw me born. That's true. That's for real. I saw me born for true, man.
Jump up on that truck and we'll give 5 minutes.
Dog, the easy though. Hey, easy though, man. Oh God. We're there, man. You pass through the place, yeah? Yeah? She says she has Spider-Man underpants herself. But good you know still here. Yeah. You! Oh God. Look at it. What's your name? There you go. How you doing? You having a good day today? Keep it up, my friend. Yeah. I'm on assume if it's vehicle. No, sir. Yeah. You hear me tell me if you do? Over the rasta. Oh, God. Man, I want a man pan in truck, man. Pick up yourself. Yeah, me kill that. You see how much carrying on and kill me, you know? I don't want the man to kill me. I don't want to go to hospital. It's all cool until we go to hospital. They will laugh off of me. So I'm flicking a car. No, sir. Don't listen to peer pressure and hurt yourself. I don't know the history of this, but I can tell that there's some history behind this. So if there's a bright sparks here can tell me what this is all about, you can let me know. Jamaica, stop! Alright, man. More on. Up, me G.
Spider-Man.
Ah, okay. So, that me been there do man. I be that me there do, you know. See, they don't work dog. You run out of ammo, me killer. Now ammo on the left, me G. Me have to reload, you see it? I know it's funny, me have a webbing on my bag. Maybe me feel weary, yeah, me have it on my bag. Welcome to Ocho Rios. You see how much Dr. Bird?
You know, say look like a Dr. Bird.
That's true.
You long tail. You know, say long tail. Man,
True. It's swallow tail. But that's true. Yeah, Anansi man. Anansi man, minute. Waving on my bag.
They say they need a movie from you. They need a movie from you.
They need a movie?
Somebody said they in there Starbucks. I watch you.
Yeah? Well, big up from Starbucks. Big up, yeah? And a new for too, Dr. Bird. I know you make it in a clip, you know, you have to go look for that one there. Jamaica Dr. Bird, guys. I first me hear that one, then new. Now look for you web. I have the web in my bag, you know. Oh God. And then get the web. But the next time somebody said that I got surprise them. Ready? Welcome to Ocho Rios. Now I'm going to do. Hey, I give you something in a dog. You see, you're funny what? Yeah man. Big up yourself to me there, yeah. Oh, my G. Welcome, welcome. Hello, how you doing? Do it again, yeah, I can do it again. One leg, you know? Yeah. That's it. Yeah, I'm the Anansi man. Yeah, I'm like the Jamaican version.
That was sick.
There you go. Ah, yeah. That the death drop. What you call that? Like the.
It's like can't I do it?
It's like a kick up.
No.
Can you keep
So you
up?
like drop down onto the floor like a drag queen.
No, I don't know that one. No.
That
Hello.
was so fun.
How you doing? Watch him. Look at him. All right, bye guys. Come. Come. Why are you running? Don't run. Come. I'm afraid. Of course, but you have to come take the picture. I have to go. Come, hurry up. I have to go. No. Come, turn around, take the picture. Not scared, man. What's up? How you doing? You can't scared, man. Yeah, yeah. Thumbs up, yeah? Nice. Want me to do a backflip, look? The scene, that's kind of nice. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, this. Right. Lick. Yo. Lick. Lick. Hold up, Italy, Italy, Italy. Come on up, Italy. Team of the right side. Easy bit. Yeah, man. Come. Yeah, I want to see him color, eh? I thought even the yellow.
Yeah.
Ah, look funny camera.
Aí, yes, sir. One level, boss. One level.
Nice.
Hey, Black, you have to show this company internet. Come here, watch it.
Yeah, man. Big up later, yeah? Alright. Cherry, Cherry, hello. Make up on the wall, Lisa.
Yes, sir.
Nice?
Boss.
Alright, later. Yeah, man. Oh, God. Alright, leave me. Point like that, point like that. Point. Yeah. Right, yeah? Alright, web there. You want to see web? Hold on now. Hold on now. Watch out now. Watch out now. Watch out now. Watch out. Hey, wait it out. Wait it out. Yeah, me too. Yeah. Yeah, what you put Mario on it. Man, you cross the island one by one, Parish, them you see free. Yeah, man, I'm going. Yeah. Ah, me do. You don't see one, you see it, you know they with it. Yeah, man, me do. Do it again. Do it again. Yeah. You ready? Amazing. Have a good day. Yeah. Easy. Yes, sir. My first video right here. 5 million.
Nice. 5
right
million.
Here. Ooh, it's the web. The web almost got you. All right, boss. You never saw that coming, did you? In Ocho Rios, all right? Ocho Rios. This is a tourist area, so I don't know if we have any foreigners here. This is a hot spot. Yeah, this is a hot spot in Jamaica. It's called Ocho Rios. So book your ticket now. Yeah? Amazing. Jamaica, stop! Step back. You got it? Okay. Yeah, me G. Up. Yeah, hi today. I'm going, my boss. We could test one right here, sir. Active! Yeah, me G. Nice. Yeah? We go faster, me G. That was my first flash twist in my suit, because I can't see. I can't see. And I still do it. Active. Alright, we go on the road. What going? You there? And that's how going, man. I'm to you, man. You try me one. Yeah, me G.
Oh, the Spider-Man here.
There, man. Try me tree? Oh, it's too small, man. You need a bigger tree than that.
Okay, do your thing.
Yeah. I get a fast pan over here, so. This, what your son name? What is? What your son name? Craft market. Alright, this is our craft market at Ocho. Zin. Souvenir. You can get souvenir and things so. Zin. So this is our spot. Let's go in there. Come here so. See it? Give me like a 360 shot. Alright guys. So this is the spot. If you want to get some souvenir, you can come here and get that. Yeah? Do it again. You ready? Tell me when you're ready. Amazing, isn't it? Nice. Yeah.
Let me take some pictures with you.
No problem if you want. Yeah. If you want to, no problem. All right, turn your back to me. Yeah. But turn a little to the side so they can see you. Very, right?
Valerie.
Nice?
Yes. Good.
Nice. All right, you take care, yeah?
Good. Cool.
All right. All right, let's go. All right, guys, enjoy, all right?
I seen you on TikTok.
You did?
Right?
Yeah,
I
probably. There you go. Yeah, my G. That is it, man. Phone now load me wait. Now wait, man. Anytime I load. You load yet? Yeah. Ta-da! That's so funny. Where are we going? Ready? What? Hey, up me G. Yeah, me G. They know it's time. Oh, I say. You can't do all it, man. Yeah, man, we have this Spider-Man thing. While I show Jamaica, you see it? Yeah, yeah, Jungle King. That is it. Oh, you do that still or you stop? Still I do it? So we have a fire dance, so you see, you see it?
Yeah, man. African fire dancer. Huh? Yeah, man. Exchange, Ocho Rios, 352-0855.
Hey, respect.
Jungle King. Taurus Rider, Secretary, Bunny Wader. They call the fireman, I mean that. T20 World Cup, team song, Sean Paul, I mean that. And more videos. See? All international stuff.
That is it. So keep, go and do your thing with it. Hey, go and do your thing, me I do my thing. See it?
Yes, I am.
Mine Anansi, man. So what? Acha. Acha. Acha, you dodge it, dodge it. You dog must have matrix. Yeah. Let's see what I go on, man. Yeah, me G, big up yourself. You not see? It's way, man.
Not go on Jamaican Spider-Man.
Yeah, we're there, you see it. We're in a full hometown, you know. I got every parish, we just reach out so you know. Yeah, active see what we are doing, you see it?
Oh, that's monument
You see
stuff.
what I say, me G? We active see we are going to tour place, you see it?
Are you with this way? I'm going to come out
We will catch you. We will catch you. Watch out. We will catch you. You never see that coming. Yeah. I thought we just do watch out. Hey, what? Yeah. I him do that. And me do that. Yeah, mama. Mama, that's easy. We're about to enter the center of Ocho Rios now. So, here we go.
There was way too much music in the background, but there was this brand doing like a road show promoting, and I just popped up. Everybody was like, Jamaica, stop! Jamaica, stop! And they let me bust two moves on the street, which was pretty exciting. I think they enjoyed that. Yeah, Spidey, Anansi man, I should say, doing his thing on the floor, cleaning the floor for you guys, you know. Yeah, nice moves, cool moves. I can't really do too much in this costume, but I do what I can because I don't want to destroy the costume, right? And I also don't want to hurt myself because I can't see clearly. But as you can see, I still can do well, right? It was pretty fun. It kind of got more exciting too because the lady asked me to do like a promotion for them to help them promote their, what's it called again? Yeah, backbone. Backbone tonic. Yeah, man. And they also gave me one. Actually, and I would say, honestly, it does taste good. Yeah, it's actually good. And she asked me to do another video for her. So I gave them a whole ad. Look at that. That's $1 million ad right there, guys. That is absolutely $1 million ad. They need to call me to do like an official ad for them. Let me know in the comment section what you think about that. Look at that. 10 out of 10. Even the girls were amazed. I knew it. Yeah, there was cool music playing. I was dancing, but I can't play the music, copyright. Get back to audio.
But not. Oh. Hello. How are you? Bless yourself. You alright? Take care. Alright, let's go. Come in. Ocho, guys. Ocho. Obama. You're good. Watch him out. You don't believe? You want back flick? Yeah. Okay, ready? Active, look up yourself. Oh boy, I can't believe. Oh God. A joke, man, a joke. It's disappointing a while ago, you know. Yeah. Yeah, camera, YouTube and TikTok. Yeah. Everybody go on top and share in the meanwhile. Snapchat, me them fan, you know. Yeah, you hear that free promo she'll give it. Yeah? Yeah, think of myself, yeah? Make a bit moves. Active. Alright, later. Come in. Oh, my dear.
Show your dog one day in the school. Yo, me want to flip over this thing, bro.
No, your dog. From that side, they go that way there. A pan. No, yeah, yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh, my dear. Yeah, my dear. Active, my G.
What I'm punish? Yo, what I'm punish?
That is it. Outside, my G.
Yeah, bro.
Eh? That there on internet already, man. You just have to look. Yeah, that. How me I move? Woo. I don't know. Who that?
Jet lag, dog.
Eh?
Already put up for your life,
Yeah, dog. Respect same way, yeah.
Go on the right, dog.
That me I try the same way.
I'm most of the time for the ball jump.
Ah.
I say it and I do it, dog. I put me at I realize.
Yeah, man. We just at these streets
One
now.
hour just a thing, say.
Eh? We can't find up now, okay, everything. Pack up and thing. Yes, I want to beat one. Ah, we are fine. Yo, show him.
Oh my jet lag, you hear that?
We are finding him back again.
Yeah, man.
You see it? I am saying there. Show over this. You see where Fontana and it?
Yeah, man.
Yeah? You are saying there. We are finding you back, my G.
Pick up yourself.
It's like here.
Original Jamaican.
Ah, fine. Ah, active, yeah. Do we get a water? Now give you a water. Big up yourself. Easy. Hello. Scared me, G. Yo. Oh. I'm not lying, I'm tired. I'm tired. Yo, I'm tired. I flick for about 3 hours. Big up, my G. Respect, yeah. Okay. Oh, yeah, they're funny. Yeah, big up, yeah. That is it. You ready? Yeah, man. Alright. Ready for your backflip now? Yeah, respect in the elder. You know. Big up my G. That is it. Oh, go on, boss. Active, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, circle place. Big up myself. Active, yeah. Try to keep it positive. It won't nearly catch up. It won't catch him around. He never see that coming. Big up, yeah. Mums, big up. Wait there. Where's your run going for you? Where's your run go? Hey. Come here. Come here. That drama, yeah. That drama. What God? Yeah, my G. Yes, yeah. Yeah, my G. Nigga. Let's do it, man. What go on, boss? Then on the place, you know? Yeah, show everybody on the place. Then, yeah, man. Yeah, my G. You see it? And Nancy, man. You see it free? Yeah. Get them. When they? When they? Are you my run? Where my run I go? Bro, I do about 70 flick by now. About 70 flick me do.
Spider-Man!
I'm gonna kill it.
Oh my God, Spider-Man!
That's not easy, you know. You ride off your bicycle now. Hello. Where you running? Where you running? Take her away. Yeah? Big up, thank you for watching. Yeah, man, bless.
The music was way too loud again. But someone asked me to do a flip, so I did. I actually like that flip. It kind of looked cool. And then I was like, back to the party again. The party shot, you know. The old boy, them are rock to, you know. Watch the girl, them are broke it down. Split. Why? Be a thing I go on, them shot me, watch me. I had to just stand there and watch. I'm like, what is going on in front of me right now? Oh, that spider girl. No, I'm taking. But still, they did well. They did really well. And then this guy, oh my God, he turned into an acrobat. Look at him. Easy. Easy, Green Goblin. Easy, Green Goblin came to battle me. Green Goblin back on your hand again. Boop. Humpty Dumpty fell over, guys. Look at it. He really enjoyed this. Look at, hey, man, full of energy, you know. Look at his energy level like 1,000. And the girl was like trying to break dance battle me. That was fun though. That was pretty fun. I really enjoyed this, but my camera was dying. Not my camera. My other two phones were dying, so I just decided to like leave. So I left the rest to like Green Goblin. Yeah. And watch Green Goblin step in now with energy at 1,000%. Look at that. Yo, man just flipping all over the place. Look at him. Hey, hey, easy, 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 easy. Hey, 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 hey. Ha. Oh my goodness. This man is something else.
And that is the end of Ocho Rios and St. Anne's Bay. Next up, Trelawney Falmouth. So check us out there. Remember to like, subscribe, and share.